Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. This one is a boat we have for sale. Just want to do a video on it. We're going to be winterizing and shrink wrapping this boat, so I want something out there. This one's going to be a 1995. This is a Volvo Penta. This is a true Volvo. It is not an SX Cobra. We'll go ahead and get this one fired up here. Get the water on. Give it a minute here. This boat is extremely clean. You'll see in the pictures. Very well taken care of. Basically just wanted to do a video so you can see it run and hear it run. Put it in forward. Back to neutral. Reverse. Neutral. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.